gets tough and cold inside, when the storm won't let me hide, doubts are knocking at my door, whisper saying I'm not strong anymore. But deep within, a silent voice tells my heart I have a choice, to stand, to trust, to believe there's more ahead than what I see. Beyond my fears, hope will rise, through the tears, through broken skies. When I feel losing ground, faith reminds me I am found. Beyond my fears, I see the light, darkness fades and morning sun. Even when my courage falls, hope still answers where I go. My faith feels far away, and shadows try to make me stay. My fear keeps screaming in my mind, but strength in Christ I always find. I may tremble, I may bend, but this is not the end. Through every trial, every scar, His love has carried me this far. Beyond my fears, I will stand. Faith in Christ is a solid rock, a strong foundation that cannot be